Hey everyone, it's time to do the magic on this baby. I have neglected my bike for a long time. Look how filthy she is. Oh my. Oh my God, look at that. Woo! But the magic is coming right now. Dang. I can't believe this. Filthy. Dang. Last time I rode my bike was at Rocky Point back in November. That long. But you're gonna see the magic coming. Woo! Before and after coming soon. She's done with her stage one. That motor's coming looking clean now. But she's still filthy. Now, stage two. Woo. She's looking clean. Done with her stage two. Look at that. Woo. Super clean. Hey, bud. It's a great day to give her a bath. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Look at that baby. She's all naked. Look at that. Look at that suspension, baby. Damn. Mid controls. And you got the legends in here. Look at that. Those lights are super bright. I'm gonna turn it on so you can see how bright they are. Look at that. Damn. Yep. Sexy. Look at those front lights. And the rear lights. Come and get her, baby. Come and get it. Oh, mine. Look at that. Super clean. Not gonna dry her up. Look at that showroom, baby. The magic. Spotless. Woo. She is shining. Woo. That magic, baby. Look at that chrome. Damn. You can eat your tacos from this right here. Look at that. Look at that suspension. Oh. She's gonna be ready for the paparazzis again. Woo! Now I gotta detail that. Look at that. She is done, guys, after 2 hours. Woo! Showroom. Ready for the paparazzis, baby. Ready for the paparazzis. Dang. She is sexy. Look at that.